Hi friends, this is Amy Bell with EDC and Stuff, and I declare it Framelock Friday. I know we all have different amounts of knowledge about knives, pocket knives and such, so I thought I would share some different styles with you over the next few days, and today it's Framelocks, which happens to be one of my favorites. So to start out with, this is the Fox Saru in blue titanium, and it was an exclusive on Urban EDC Supply, but you can get it in all different styles for different prices. It's designed by Jesper Voxnaes, who's my favorite designer. So this is how it locks up. This is the frame, and right here is the part that moves out or moves in and locks it into place. So to use it, you just push that with your thumb or with your finger, depending on whatever works best for you, and lock it up. Here's another one by Voxnaes. This comes in different models, and people really like to modify them, which is what I've done with this one by acid etching Vox's signature in there. You can get these for as little as $30 with the less expensive steel and the stainless steel handles. And here's a Mini Natrix. Now it is a frame lock, but they've had to add this bit to the frame because copper wouldn't work for that. Here's a little ZT 0022, and again there's the frame, and here's a small Wesson tiny knife with a frame lock. It's just built in right there. And that's the frame lock, my friends. And you'll notice those all have flippers except for this one too. And so maybe it's Flipper Friday as well. This one did not cooperate with me when it came to flipping. My hand it bends too much. But I like the knife, so I modified the flipper. Now it works just fine. You have a great Friday. Talk to you later. Bye.